get comfy and cozy because I'm going to be talking about how I could spot the Arctic front on satellite imagery. And then also, I'm going to be comparing the satellite imagery of lake effect clouds versus the radar imagery. Okay, so starting with how we spot the front, it's that very defined line in the cloud cover. They're just kind of above my head and stretching into Canada there. That's out ahead of the front. So that frontal boundary is right along that area. And so you're seeing the divide in the sinking air because we've got high pressure behind it. That's where we've got the mostly clear skies out back there behind the front, high pressure. And we've got our rising air in front where we've got most of the cloud cover. And that's their boundary between air masses. That cold air behind, warmer in front. And here I am up top now, because I'm pointing at where these streams of lake effect clouds that we're seeing, even down in the lower peninsula, are originating from. So all that cold air that's coming in from the northwest is streaming down these lake effect bands, starting all the way in Lake Superior. So as the satellite loops, it's kind of fun, for me at least, to watch the clouds stream all the way down to the lower peninsula from Lake Superior. So while we're on the topic of those lake effect snow bands, or lake effect cloud bands, I should say, on radar here are the snow bands that we can see. So we're comparing the satellite image to where we see the clouds versus where we're seeing the precipitation being picked up by the radar. And this is the radar site out of Marquette in the Upper Peninsula. And here we have a radar image from the Gaylord radar site. Just a few bands of lake effect out there in the northern lower peninsula. But you can see that it still follows that pattern of those cloud streets that we saw on the satellite. So thanks for following along. If you made it this far, thank you again for this fun little tutorial of satellite imagery.